I've arrived at a certain point from where you can see the whole mountain. I think over there, this is the final destination with the cross. It's written that it's closed from November till April, and now it's April. It's like unclear whether it's closed or not, but there was a guy just passing by with all the Via Ferrata equipment, and I asked him, is it open? He said, yeah, I just did it. Only the first part is closed. Oh, now it's time for Via Ferrata. I hope I can make it. This is a super complicated section. Just started. Whoa, this is freaky. Whoa. I'm super glad that I have those gloves. Whoa. Oh gosh. Okay, there's a very beautiful view on Lecco, but there is a very challenging thing. It looks unreal. Okay, there is a second step. There is one step, there is a second one. Gosh, to walk on this bitch. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Now I'm on the ridge and it's quite boring walk. And another challenging section. Ooh. Oh my gosh. So uncomfortable. And continue monkey. Okay. It was the hardest and the scariest part of Via Ferrata I've ever done. Actually, here's the place where I can stand pretty normally. It's a bit scary. At least I can stop and drink some water and get some energy from energy bars, because if you don't have any energy, your hands might fail. Maybe this is the last part. And I cannot do something like this at that point of time because I'm super tired. I don't know how to do this. It's completely flat. It's not even flat. It's like negative angle if you look in here. The good news that I believe there is an emergency exit which goes just in here. After that crazy point from there, everything looks so challenging. Yes, I can. I'm happy. This is the end? I mean, I think so. What do you think? I thought I made the whole Via Ferrata, but apparently not. It's not the real one, but still, I thought it's the end. You don't want to hope it's not gonna be that long. Climb! Beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, this looks crazy. Hopla. Sunset. Gosh. This an official, and I don't know how I was able to misestimate everything, but anyway, I made it for real. This is the end. There is nothing.